How to smooth skin and remove blemishes in Meitu. First of all, open the app and tap on the photo section on the main screen. Select the photo you want to edit from your gallery or camera roll. Once your photo opens in the editing interface, tap on the Beautify section. Here, use the Smooth tool to even out skin texture and give your skin a soft, flawless look. Next, tap on the Acne tool to remove blemishes, pimples, and spots. Adjust the intensity of each tool using the sliders to achieve a natural and polished result. You can also combine these tools with filter, brightness, contrast, stickers, and frames for more creative edit. Using Smooth and Acne tools in Meitu allows you to create professional quality selfies, portrait, and social media ready photos quickly. Now you know how to smooth skin and remove blemishes in Meitu. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips.